In the intricate mosaic of life's moments, there occasionally emerges a profound act of selflessness, a decision to take a monumental risk for the sake of another. Such a narrative unfolds with an undercurrent of courage, sacrifice, and the guiding presence of God, highlighting the bonds that tie humanity together in compassion and shared destiny. The essence of this narrative resonates with the wisdom found in the book of John. Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. This resonant declaration encapsulates the profound depth of sacrificing personal comfort and security for the well-being of another. It underscores the beauty of relationships where individuals find the courage to undertake colossal risk to uplift those they hold dear. Amidst this unfolding tale, God's guiding hand stands as a beacon of hope and divine intervention. Just as the Psalms assure us, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." We are reminded that God's providence extends beyond the physical realm, encompassing emotional and spiritual well-being. The individual's willingness to undertake such a risk echoes God's own love, which encompasses the breadth of human experience. As the individual prepares to embark on this daring venture, the words of Isaiah ring true. "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you." These words embody God's unwavering presence, providing solace and fortitude in the face of uncertainty. The decision to undertake a significant risk echoes the spirit of trust in God's support and guidance. The risk-taker's journey is a testament to the enduring power of faith and friendship. The book of Proverbs reminds us, "A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for a time of adversity." In the willingness to take a leap of faith for another, a bond of kinship is forged, a bond that transcends circumstances and echoes God's own love for His creation. In the midst of such selflessness, God's providence is manifest. In the book of Romans, it is written, "And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose." The risk undertaken for another's sake aligns with God's overarching plan, illustrating how individual actions can be instruments of divine intention. As the narrative unfolds, it becomes evident that the risk-taker's decision is emblematic of humanity's innate capacity for compassion and courage. In God's image, we find the wellspring of these qualities reflected in the readiness to undertake a monumental risk to safeguard another's well-being. In the grand mosaic of existence, stories like this resonate as testaments to the power of love and the intricate tapestry of interconnected lives. Through God's presence and guidance, individuals find the strength to step beyond the boundaries of self interest, embracing the profound act of taking a risk for another. In these moments, humanity aligns itself with the divine purpose of love, echoing the eternal truth that greater love knows no bounds. If you believe, type Amen.